Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the internship opportunity provided by the IBM company in collaboration with the All India Council for Technical Education, that is AICTE. And friend, this is the government internship and you will get the certificate also. And the third year students as well as the final year students can apply for this internship opportunity. We are going to check the in detail about the eligibility criteria and how you will apply. And friend, you can see this type of sample certificate you will get once you complete the internship and you can see here we are at the official page of the national internship portal, and you can see on the top the logo, that is All India Council for Technical Education. And talking about the internship details, the duration is the for you can see the 4 weeks internship, and you can see the name given, that is a IBM Skill Build for University Engagement Edunet Foundation. And the internship was published on the 1st May 2026, and you have to apply before 31st May 2026. Friend, please subscribe Info Roshan, because if you will subscribe, then you will get the new notification earliest so that you can apply before the last application date. So one of the very important thing here that you can see number of opening is of 4,000. So there is a very large number of internship opportunities available. So your chances for selection will be more here. So you have to apply as early as possible. So talking about the internship that you can see here, you will get see hands-on experience on the projects and industries aligned skills like in AI, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning and cloud computing. And friend, the program focus on real world challenges, prepare for a student for the job market. So you will get the type of task which you will face once you going to work in any corporate organization. So you will get the here some basic idea that what types of tasks they are doing, and how you have to solve it, and you will get the access to industry cloud services and connect with the professional mentors to enrich the internship journey. And friend, here you can see the various types of perks are also mentioned, that what you will get here. So you can see you will get the multiple software access to free cloud based services, and you will get the free learning resources, and you will experience the cutting edge emerging technologies. So what are the new technologies are coming in the market, you will get the exposure to that. And you can collaborate with your peers on the group projects and share your resources. You can transform your experience with discussion with them, and you will get the one of the very important thing, that is a certificate to enhance your employability. So you can see this is the sample certificate. Once you complete, then you will get that. And talking about the who can apply here, so you can see here that are from any specialization can apply here, which who have their relevant skills and interest towards this internship. So like degree you can see here, like BTech, BCA, MCA or ITI, diploma in mechanical or civil disciplines. These are the requirement, but you definitely have the computer science information basics, and you should have the basic knowledge of the Python, AI, and machine learning. So this type of information and interest you should have before applying this internship. And as I had told earlier, that the program will open for students are in the pre-final and final year for their technical degree. And friend, you should have a valid college domain email IDs for registration on the IBM, because this is the government internship. So you need the your email IDs here. So how you will apply? So let's talk about that. First, you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you will come to this page, and at the bottom you have to click on apply now. And once you click, friend, this type of window will come here. Then if you have already registered, then you can directly use your email and password and log in. If not, then you have to click on this register now, and you have to provide some details here, like your college name, institute name, then some personal details you can see, and then you have to enter your Aadhaar details. This is the Indian government internship, so you have to provide your Aadhaar number and some details here, like when you are in the third year, or when you are going to pass your degree. So you have to provide the details here, and then you have to register, and once you register, then you can directly log in and complete the application process, and you will get the all the details on your email ID, so you can check it. And if you have any query regarding this internship opportunity, friend, please comment on the video. We will definitely check your questions and provide you the answers. Please subscribe Inforosan. Thank you.